Hi, my name's Becky. I live in the UK. I just wanted to share some information with you about my page. And if you wanted to go and join me, I'm on Instagram under Becky's Beauty Creations, as well as Facebook, that same name, Becky's Beauty Creations. Have a look. All the links are on my YouTube account and all the profiles. So have a nosy. If there's anything that you like, feel free to reach out to me. I can ask any questions whatsoever. But today I just wanted to show you two of the products that we have. Yeah, this is the Moodstruck design that they've done. And I've got a eyeshadow, or liquid eyeshadow it is, with a mascara. So let's get to it. Hopefully you can see the information here. So you've got Moodstruck, and the colour, it's a Moodstruck liquid, and it's called Reverent. So I did put some on earlier, and then I've just taken it off again on this eye, and I have got the mascara on at the moment, so hopefully you can see that as well. So as best as I can, I'm going to put this on, and as you can see, it's really easy to apply, just like that. Done. And yeah, hopefully you can see in that sunlight. Now I've not rubbed it or anything, still feels like slightly damp, so I'll give it a couple of minutes just to dry off, and you can see what that looks like there. So I won't do the other eye. I'll just show you the mascara. I have put it on this eye already, and I just don't think this light or anything is giving it justice. So let's try and put it on the other one. As you can see, it's a really thin wand, and it instantly lifts the eyelashes. So I'm all natural. I've got nothing on my eyes whatsoever, and I try and go natural. I have put some makeup on this side for you, just so you can see the difference. This was my prepared face. This is not. But hopefully this is going to show up. And I've got really like little blondes, and for this wand it just gets right. All them little ones. So oh, and as you can see, it's not even smudged, and I've just put it on. For some reason, mascara always makes me sneeze. So yeah, if I just move you a little bit, and you can see, hopefully. Yeah, there you go. So hopefully that's showing up on for you. You can see how long the lashes look now. They've taken all the length of my eyelash, and then this colour is just beautiful. It's really shimmery. Obviously, like I'm not made up to go out anywhere, but I just wanted a quick run through. There you go. Thank you. Bye bye.